Today I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can restore your Link bracelet for under 15 bucks. That's right, $15. And if you don't have one, don't worry. At the very end, I'm going to tell you how to score a $350 watch band for about 50 bucks. First thing you're going to want to do is to go on Amazon and buy one of these. This is a refinishing brush pad. It costs, for me, it was $13.99. That's what I'm seeing. I'll put a link down below to the product, but you are gonna want this because it helps out a ton when it comes to refinishing this watch band.
So basically to do this, all you're gonna do is take the brush pad and just go along the whole width of the band itself. And you're just gonna keep doing this over and over and over until you can shave off enough of the metal to where it looks great again. You'll notice that usually the buckle has most of the scratches, just the placement of it where it's usually at. It's always the thing that hits the tabletops and all this other stuff. So make sure you definitely focus on that a lot. That's what I'm doing right here, is I'm giving it plenty of attention. Sometimes it's a little hard to go against the links on the band. So I'll actually just kind of turn it around and go the other way. That way I'm not going against it, because then doing that, it definitely takes a lot of the pad itself away. The pad's not going to last as long doing that, but you do get a couple areas going that way. So you want to do it a little bit, but you don't have to do it the whole time. It does take a lot of pressure to get it, but I mean, it's well worth it. And the fact that this can make the band look nearly new again for less than $15 is just insane. So as you can see, the band itself is already looking a lot better. Now this doesn't take very long before you can see results, which is great. Now another thing to keep in mind is where you're doing this at, because you will get like a shaving of the metal and then also the brush itself, and it can damage possibly your table or whatever. It can also make it dirty. Make sure you're doing it on a surface that you don't care about, or put something down to make sure that everything's protected. As you can see, I can just pretty much wipe most of that off, but there's a couple little marks now that will take a little bit extra to clean up. And before you know it, this thing's gonna be looking really awesome. It probably only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do everything. Just all depends on how bad the band is, but look at it. Here, let me just also show a quick comparison side by side of how it looked when we started and how it looks now. The results are just insane. I mean, look at the close-up. Look at how insanely good that looks compared to how it was just a couple minutes ago. And I mean, this thing looks new. And if I tried to put this on eBay, I probably just made at least $100 more off of this band because I got most of those scratches out. It's a no-brainer. 15 bucks and you can make this thing look this much better.
So there you have it. Now it looks nearly new again. And now, like I promised, how can you buy this band for like 50 bucks when it costs 350? eBay. People get scratches on these bands all the time. They've worn them for years. My band is multiple years old. They just figure, well, it's not worth that much. Other people look at it and like, oh, look at all those scratches. I don't want a band that scratched up. So it sells for hardly nothing. I've helped out tons of people buy this band for anywhere from $50 to $75. It's the legit $350 band. They spend another 15 bucks to get this pad and restore it as new. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you want more how-to videos, I got them right here. So just click on that playlist and I'll see you all in the next one. God bless.